Señor Rodríguez, te tenemos que ver. No se ve a usted en la cámara. Tenés que estar presente.
Okay. Everyone remain quiet.
Because I didn't have the file.
Mr. Gaffney,
Yes.
remain quiet, please.
Okay. On here that lead meeting or got it.
Mr. Daphne, hold on. Just hold on. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking around, drinking, driving. If I see anything that is outside of the court's respect, I will remove you. When your name is called, unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. We're going to start with Ms. Vivian's case so we can get her out of here. This is the People versus Gianni Diaz.
Este es el caso de Gianni Díaz.
Ticket number SP 1352798. Count 1, disregard officer's signal.
Este es el caso SP 1352798. Desobedecer la señalación del oficial de policía.
Good morning. Please say your name for the record, starting with the interpreter, Ms. Vivian.
Buenos días, diga su nombre por la acta. Empezamos con la intérprete. Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Antonia. My last name is Vivian, V-I-V-I-A-N, Spanish English interpreter, qualified through the state of Michigan.
Vivian, can you raise your right? Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Defense counsel?
Remove your hat, Mr. Dixon. And get into the court, Ms. Richardson. Get into the camera.
It must be Mr. Roki. Mr. Zaranick, you mind just standing in for this one while Mr. Roki's getting people out?
Yep, Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor.
Bob Zaranick, representando a la acusada, su señoría.
Ms. Diaz, can you say your name, please?
Señorita Díaz, diga su nombre por la acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es Gianni Ortiz Díaz.
My name is Gianni Ortiz Diaz.
Recommendation of a 3-month delayed sentence.
La recomendación es una sentencia retrasada para 90 días.
Would you like to take that offer, Judge?
Excuse me, the interpreter. Okay, all right, never mind. Ella quiere aceptar esa oferta. The interpreter would like to make a statement regarding the conversation. Is it possible?
Yeah.
I think she was going to ask for a trial date.
No, okay. We just like a bench trial date then, Judge.
Queremos una fecha por juicio.
Right hand, Ms. Diaz.
Señorita Díaz, levanta la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, it's cutting out. I don't hear you.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma de decir la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí, lo juro.
Yes, I swear. Baja la mano.
You have the
Lower your
right to a
hand.
jury trial.
Excuse me.
Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
¿Usted entiende que tiene el derecho de tener un juicio con jurados?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
¿Alguno te amenazó o prometió algo de valor para que usted renuncie su derecho de tener un juicio con jurados?
No.
No.
That's not presumed to file.
No le des.
Yeah, so put it right here. That's good. So keep right.
No, I think that's true. That's not happening.
Yo, tú me dices que si lo hice, ¿ah?
Mr. Ray, you gotta remain
Just
quiet.
like got 2 of those ones though.
Right, we kind of gone.
That would be the first day back for me.
But we wide open that day. We wide open that
I
day.
know. We need to pick another.
Okay. All right, give me a second, Judge.
I'm sorry, give me one moment to find the date.
Necesitamos un momento, lo siento, para encontrar una fecha.
Ok.
Okay.
And Mr. Travis, the ball, turn on your video.
Let's go January 20th.
January 20th at 9 o'clock.
El 20 de enero a las 9 de la mañana.
Ok.
Okay.
Me conecto por Zoom.
So I connect back on Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
Sí, señorita.
Ok.
Okay.
You're all set, Ms. Diaz. Good luck.
Usted ya está lista. Se puede ir, señorita Díaz.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the people versus Jose Rodriguez.
Estos son las personas en contra José Rodríguez.
Ticket number P1346438, count 1, improper plates, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor.
Este es el caso SP 1346438. Primer cargo, no tenía aseguranza. Segundo cargo, que no tenía licencia y tampoco registración. Delitos de menores.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Rodriguez, Your Honor.
Y yo soy Bob Zaranick representando al señor Rodríguez, su señoría.
All right, Corporal Propik is here.
El oficial de policía, Corporal Kropik, está presente.
Born again or?
I haven't seen him here, Judge. Oh, wait a minute, he is here.
Yes, Ms. Vivian, do you need to be sworn again?
No, you can just state that I'm still under oath.
Okay, Ms. Vivian, you are still under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Rodriguez, can you say your name for the record?
Señor Rodríguez, diga su nombre por la acta.
José Miguel Nieves Rodríguez.
José Miguel Nieves Rodríguez.
I'm trying to bring the officer out, he's not coming out, but how does your client wish to proceed, Mr. Zaranick?
Quiero sacar al oficial de policía que se presente, pero no puedo. ¿Cómo es que vamos a proceder, señor?
Was Mr. Rodriguez taking the offer in this case?
¿El señor Rodríguez está aceptando una oferta en este caso? Señor, ¿usted está aceptando una oferta? Sir, are you accepting an offer?
La verdad no me han ofrecido nada.
To tell you the truth, they didn't offer me anything. Actually, it was a failure to display. Okay.
The
So,
offer
Mr.
is-
Rodriguez, if you plead to a failure to display, it's no points and a fine.
the offer
Señor
is-
Rodríguez, si usted se declara para falla de mostrar, es una multa y costos.
the offer is
Pero la duda que tengo.
Can you hear me?
Excuse me.
Hello? Can Judge is speaking?
The offer is proper place, Mr. Zaranick.
Oh, okay, Judge.
La oferta es placas inadecuadas.
But
¿Puedo
Mr.
hablar?
Rodriguez, did the attorney talk to you about an offer to plead to improper plates?
Señor Rodríguez, la abogada habló con usted de declararte para placas inadecuadas.
No, lo que me dijo fue que como yo había puesto la placa y aseguré el carro, iban a desestimar el caso.
So no, what she told me, since I showed proof of registration and insurance, that they were going to dismiss those charges.
Let me get Mr. Roki out.
And I slightly recall, Madam Interpreter, but this is Tamika Horn, the prosecutor. I can't remember all the people. I did
Yeah.
speak with some, I believe Croppick's defendant did have documents, but I can't be sure to say.
Your Honor.
Okay.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant, you were calling Rodriguez, Jose?
So,
Yes.
Su
Yes, Pauline.
señoría, Pauline Soroki, representando al acusado, ¿usted estaba llamando el caso del señor Rodríguez?
Yeah.
Your Honor,
Sí.
Mr. Rodriguez presented a registration dated 5/12/2023, and the prosecutor was going to dismiss those matters.
El señor Rodríguez mostró una registración que se vence el 12 de mayo 2023 y la fiscalía iba a despedir esos asuntos.
And Corporal Kropik, can you say your name for the record, sir?
El Corporal Kropik, diga su nombre por la acta.
Corporal Kropik, Bed 775, City of Detroit Police Officer. I'm
Soy
sorry,
Corporal Kropik, número de registro 775, oficial con la ciudad de Detroit.
was I to understand that all cases were going to be dismissed?
Y lo que yo entiendo es que todos los casos van a ser renunciados.
It was 2 counts, one for improper plates and one for unregistered vehicle.
Eran 2
Recount.
cargos, placas inadecuadas y que el vehículo no era registrado.
There's the no insurance misdemeanor too. It's under, it's his last name, he has like 3 last names. It's under his like 3rd last name or something.
Entonces también había que no tenía aseguranza, pero estaba en un diferente apellido, parece que tiene más de un apellido.
Because what I was told by the prosecutor that we were going to go with improper plates and dismiss the other 2.
Porque me dijo la fiscalía que íbamos a ir con placas inadecuadas y renunciar a los otros 2.
Okay.
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city, P70303.
I wasn't aware of the 3rd ticket. I don't know if my client has insurance or not at this time.
Yo soy Tamika Horn, la fiscalía, número de registro 77303. Los cargos son de placas inadecuadas. La señorita Soroki dijo que no lo había visto la registración en este tiempo.
Does he have
Yes.
insurance now?
¿Él tiene aseguranza ahora?
No,
No.
So they're willing to give him 1 count of improper plates. It's not going to hurt his driving record if he wants to accept that.
Entonces te dan un cargo de placas inadecuadas y eso no afecta su documentación de conducir.
ok.
Ok.
Your Honor, we're ready to proceed.
Estamos listos para proceder, su señoría.
Right hand, Mr. Rodriguez.
Suba su mano derecha, señor Rodríguez.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma de decir toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí,
Yes.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your right?
¿Usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada, señora Soroki, en privado de tu asunto y de sus derechos?
sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Alguno te amenazó, esforzó, prometió algo a usted de valor para que yo acepte su declaración de culpable aquí hoy?
No,
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
¿Usted se declara de su propia libertad?
sí,
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
¿Y usted se declara culpable porque sí sos culpable?
sí, soy culpable.
Yes, I'm guilty.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
¿Y usted entiende que cuando se declara culpable renuncia a sus derechos de tener un juicio?
Sí,
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y sabiendo que usted renuncia a su derecho de renunciar el juicio, ¿usted todavía quiere continuar con su declaración de ser culpable?
sí.
Yes.
Direct your attention to June 6, 2022 at 9:48 a.m.
Quiero que prestes atención a la fecha del 6 de junio 2022 a las 9:48 a.m.
Ujú.
On that date and time, were you at or near Glencoe Street and Bentler Street in the city of Detroit?
En esa fecha y horario estaba cerca de la calle Glencoe y la calle Bentler en la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí,
Yes.
Were you driving a 2009 Dodge vehicle?
¿Usted estaba conduciendo un vehículo de Dodge 2009?
sí,
Yes.
And did you have the proper plates on that vehicle?
¿Y usted tenía placas inadecuadas en ese vehículo?
sí.
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
¿Está satisfecha, señora Soroki? Sí, su señoría.
Also satisfied with the factual basis? Will
Yo,
accept the admission
yo también estoy satisfecha con la base fáctica.
and Mr. Roki, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Y señora Soroki, usted estipula para causa probable a las caras de las otras etiquetas. Sí, estipulada, su señoría.
Counts 2 and 3 are dismissed without prejudice and will proceed to sentencing.
Los cargos segundo y tercero van a ser renunciados sin prejuicio y vamos a continuar a la sentencia.
There's a $200 fine. Can
Hay
you have
una
that-
multa de $200.
Can you have that fine paid by January 17th?
Esa multa, ¿usted la puede pagar antes del 17 de enero?
Sí,
Yes.
Any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
no.
No.
Good, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
Buena suerte. Usted ya se puede ir. Que tenga buenas fiestas.
Muchas gracias, igual.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Thank you for your property. This is the people versus Miguel Reyes Sanchez, ticket number SP 13112513, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of the defendant.
Vivian, he doesn't need an
I
interpreter?
am not on this case, Your Honor. I was told that he did not need an interpreter, that he speaks English.
What was it that, there was one more you needed, you were.
Yeah, it was Ronald Roblero.
Okay,
Did we do the female already?
yes, we did her.
Okay.
We set it for a bench trial.
His last name is it Romero?
This is the people versus Ronald Roblero, ticket number SP 131146. Count one.
Judge, excuse, me, could you repeat that? Mr. Reyes was making noise and I didn't get it. The case number.
Ticket number SP 1311461. Count one, driver's license never acquired, and count two, no insurance misdemeanor.
Este es el caso de la ciudad en contra Ronald Roblero, SP 13-11-46-12. Primer cargo, no tenía licencia que fue conseguida, y segundo cargo, delito menor de no tener aseguranza.
Your Honor, Colleen Soroki, behalf of the defendant.
Su señoría, Pauline Soroki, representando al acusado.
Mr. Roblero, state your name.
Señor Roblero, diga su nombre.
Ronald Bersaber Roblero.
Ronald de Sabler Roblero.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation. My client would plead to the amended account of failed to display veiled license and the other counts being dismissed.
Su señoría, hay una oferta para mi acusado que quiere disfrutar de reducir el cargo a falla de mostrar y el otro cargo se va a despedir.
Ms. Vivian, can you state your name, please?
My first name's Antonia, Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Vivian.
All right, and you're still under oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm sorry, Ms. Soroki, the offer is failed to display?
Correct.
Entonces la oferta es falla de mostrar. Sí, correcto.
Offer,
My client's going to waive his rights and ask the court to adopt that.
Mi cliente va a renunciar sus derechos y aceptar eso.
right hand, sir?
Suba su mano derecha, señor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Usted jura y afirma de decir toda la verdad y nada más de la verdad?
Sí.
Yes. Baja la mano.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki, the attorney, in private about your case and your rights?
¿Usted tuvo oportunidad de hablar con señora Soroki de su caso y de sus derechos en privado?
Sí.
Yes.
Threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Alguno te ofreció algo o te amenazó para que yo acepte su declaración de ser culpable aquí hoy?
No.
No.
Well, you're pleading of your own free will?
¿Y usted se declara de su propia libertad?
Sí.
Yes.
Be guilty because you're actually guilty?
¿Y usted se declara culpable porque si sos culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
¿Y usted entiende que cuando se declara culpable renuncia a sus derechos de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y sabiendo ahora que usted renuncia a su derecho de tener un juicio, ¿querés continuar con tu declaración de ser culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 9th, 2022 at 7:17 p.m.
Quiero que diriges tu atención al 9 de febrero 2022 a las 7:17 p.m.
On that date and time, were you at or near Livernois and Toledo in the city of Detroit?
En esa fecha y horario estaba cerca de las calles Livernois y Toledo en la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí.
Yes.
Had you failed to acquire a driver's license?
¿Y usted falló de conseguir una licencia de conducir?
Sí.
Yes.
You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
¿Está satisfecha, señora Soroki? Sí, su señoría, satisfecha.
You stipulate the probable causes to count 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulated. Oh,
Y estipulamos a al segundo cargo que es de causa probable y se renuncia. Sí, estipulado.
Dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing.
Esto se renuncia sin prejuicio y vamos a proceder a la sentencia.
There's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 17th?
Hay una multa de $200. ¿La podés pagar antes del 17 de enero?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
¿Tienes algunas preguntas?
No, todo está bien.
No, everything is fine.
You're all set. Good luck.
Está listo para irse. Buena suerte.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Do we
Thank
have,
you, Your
John
Honor. I
Doe?
think I'm all set now, so,
Thank you, Ms. Vivian.
okay.
All right, this is the People versus John DeLeon. Ticket number SP 1258222, count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, the driver registered or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Stroke, on behalf of the defendant.
John DeLeon, he's not here. He was here. I believe he spoke with the prosecutor and had valid documentation. You stipulate the proper cause for this, or
Your Honor, so stipulated. Move for dismissal.
matters are dismissed without prejudice. One second, please. All right, this is the People versus Cody Deco. Ticket number U 644794222, count 1, fighting in public. I guess it's disturbing the peace. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Bob Zarana for the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Deco, state your name. Mr. Deco, is that around?
Cody Deckel, can you unmute, sir?
Sorry, Cody Jacob Deacle.
Turn on your video, please. Judge, today is the day and time set for a trial. My understanding, the officer did not appear. We're moving for dismissal.
Prejudice, you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor. You can sign off, Mr. Deckel. It's dismissed.
Awesome.
All right, we got Tyrone Dickerson. Mr. Doc, we're gonna take you as your client.
Your Honor, this is, if you can, he's, I think he has a plausible explanation for not being here. I haven't had a chance to reach him because he was in custody. He's been since exonerated and just all charges were dismissed against him. It was just that it was a communication trying to get in touch with his phone. I don't know if it's my phone. Can we set it for trial, Your Honor?
It's set for trial,
Set for trial.
and the officer is here. You got it.
I've been trying to contact him, and I lost his mom's phone number. But I know he does have a plausible explanation.
I'm sorry, what was that, sir?
I believe he has a plausible explanation for not being here, Your Honor. I think he might be in a rehab facility.
I can't, he's not here. He wasn't here the last time. We put it over, Can't keep putting it over, so it's gonna be a KPS, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, he was in custody for those other 2 times.
All right, and we should have KPS when you asked last time, but we didn't. Now he's still not here.
All right, appreciate you. Happy holidays. Now, if I can get my touch with them, can we recall the warrant and get? Yeah. All right. Happy holidays to you. Thanks.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, this is Tamika Horn, the prosecutor for the city. Is this Kobe Davis?
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. And is there officer come out already, Officer Lord?
Let me try to. All defendants turn on their video, please. All defendants. Mr. Lord. Hold on. I'll try to get him. Miss Robinson, turn on your video.
Lord is here.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I just want to make sure that he was brought out so he could leave.
All right, thank you.
Lord, Mr. Davis has retained counsel, Mr. Quentin Dox, who is like begging the court to not capious Mr. Davis, but I think he just was released from being in custody, but the court is inclined to issue a capious. He's not here. That's what the court is inclined.
And no objection, Your Honor, from the people.
You're free to go, Officer Lord. Mr. Doc, get in touch with your client.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
And stay in touch with me too.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Okay. This is the people versus Tyrone Dickerson. Oh, I don't think I had the copy. Ticket number P1360263, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, disorderly conduct. Good morning. Oh, and count 2, I'm sorry, Tina Windows. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tyrone William Dickerson.
Mr. Dickerson, did any of us speak with you?
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, Your Honor, I didn't have an offer for him, and I realized that he was. Oh, is the officer here?
No, the officer's not here. Except for trial.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of the defendant, it is trial date. The officer has not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
That is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Dickerson.
Thank you. Huh?
That's it. You're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you too.
This is the people versus Dominique Randall. Here's the situation. She's set for trial, or he's set for trial, but there's a number of other matters that would need an offer. At least a U ticket.
So there's Mr. Randall.
I'm sorry. Yes, I was in the bathroom. I'm sorry.
You want to take care of all of your tickets today? You have 2 that don't have an officer here, and you have additional matters. Did you want to resolve those, or do you want to come back on those?
How many of them is it?
3 other tickets.
For what?
Allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, no insurance misdemeanor, and no sexually oriented business employee license.
Holy.
Why don't we set those for a pre-trial date, Your Honor?
Okay, that I don't know why they let me say that, because I don't know why that's worded like that, but it shouldn't be worded like that at all. But
Miss Randall, we can't see your face.
This is the people versus Dominique Randall, ticket number P1359224, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, loiter in place of illegal occupation with intent to engage, ticket number U370216, count 1.
I didn't get it because Ms. Randall is making too much noise. I didn't get it. Did you?
I'm not. You all don't hear me making noise. I'm not making any noise.
Ms. Randall is coming from your phone. The last thing I heard, Judge, you said case number P1399224, count 1 and count 2, and then I was lost after that.
Oh yeah, I heard her. She was reading me off my tickets.
Mr. Padway, did you got ticket number ending in 224? You got those 2 charges?
Yes.
Okay. Ticket number U37000216, count 1, no sexually oriented business employee license, and ticket number SP1270091, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Dominique Randall, Your Honor.
Ms. Randall, say your name, ma'am.
Dominique Randall.
Okay, so 2 of these matters are set for trial. The officers failed to appear. You have a motion, Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, my motion is to dismiss at this time.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice. She has some other cases that are in warrant status that the court did call. It's my understanding you just want to set these for pretrial.
Yes, Your Honor.
So it's going to be January 3rd at 8:35.
So, Ms. Randall, you'll come back on Zoom on January 3rd at 8:35 for pretrial and your outstanding tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Give me 1 second, please. This is the people versus Jordan Riley. Ticket number P1365940, count 1, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Riley, Your Honor. Please state your name, sir.
Jordan DeMond Riley.
Judge, can we set this matter for a bench trial, please?
Raise your right hand, Mr. Riley. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes, ma'am.
So the court's going to continue. You're not going to set it for a bench trial date of January 20th at 9:30.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're on set, sir. Have a good holiday. This is the
Yes,
people
ma'am. You
versus Kiana. Thank you, sir. Kiana Davenport, ticket number 185095119, count 1, driver's license expired. Ticket number P1166004, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP1267873, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Ms. Davenport.
Tiana Davenport.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client that she would admit the allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and they would have a 90-day delayed sentence. My client's waiving her rights.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davenport. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I will have what will my next court date for this be for? Would it, I'll be able to pay?
For the dismissal, ma'am, in 90 days.
Okay, and that's like after the ticket is paid and like satisfied?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 14, 2021 at 2:21 p.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2011 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle stopped in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
All right. You satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied with the factual basis you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be, this is a 3-month delayed sentence. So we will be coming back on March 13th.
So I'm going to sentencing for the ticket.
Let's do March 20th. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, so there's a $200 fine, Ms. Davenport, that you have to pay. You can't get any more tickets or citations, so essentially no further police contact. If you pay the fine, no further police contact, you come back on March 20th at 8:35, this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay.
Yeah, did you have any questions?
Yeah, I actually do still have some questions, but maybe there would just be for the is that the the lawyer?
I don't know. I guess if you have questions for the attorney, you can.
Yeah, I do. I have some questions for the attorney.
Okay, it's gonna be a while. We got a lot of cases, so you can go back into the breakout room if you like. This is the People versus Kyle Duva. Ticket number SP 1343327, count 1, liquid or controlled substance possession or use of firearm under We're also here on ticket number U6308852, count 1, narcotic and drug related violation. Ticket number SP 1343199, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and possession, count 2, possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Morning, please say your names for the record.
Kyle Duva.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Duva, Your Honor. We couldn't resolve this whole thing today, Judge, because one of the matters is the state matter. So we're just going to set it for a bench trial.
Okay. Miss Cole was around too. All right. Raise your right hand, Mr. Duva. I can't see him. Is he around? Mr. Duva, say your name for the record, sir.
Kyle Duva.
Thank you. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date of January 20th at 9 o'clock.
January 20th. Let me write that down. And it'll be Zoom again, correct?
Yes, sir.
And it's the same code or whatever to log in on?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So 9 a.m. you said, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, you're all set. Have a good holiday.
Thank you. You too.
People versus Miguel Reyes Sanchez, ticket number SP 1311251, count 3, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Sanchez.
Say your name, sir.
Miguel Angel Reyes Sanchez.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation. My client would plead to fail to display license.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Sanchez. Reyes Sanchez. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 7, 2022 at 7:47 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Livernois and Burner Highway in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was down in your person?
I failed to display.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, you're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Reyes Sanchez. Can you have that fine paid by January 17th?
Yes.
Any questions, sir?
No questions.
We're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. This is the People versus Davis Daphne, ticket number P1360233, count one, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Davis Daphne.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Daphne Davis.
Yeah.
How does he wish to proceed, Ms. Roki?
Mr. Daphne, were you gonna admit the violation today?
He got his
got it.
registration. He got his registration. Put it closer. Put it closer. Can you see that? What's that?
If he talks, it'll get big. He has to talk.
Oh, shit.
Okay, pull it down a little bit, sir. There you go. It expires on 2/29/24. Thank you.
You stipulate the proper cause, Mr. Roki.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Matters dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
It's dismissed, Mr. Daffy. Your case is dismissed.
Okay.
This is the People versus Charles Dixon. Ticket number 2135867, count one, operation of a marijuana facility without a license. Ticket number 213586381, operating a medical care center without a license. U633999422, operate a place of illegal occupation. Ticket number 223582831, operation of a marijuana facility without a license. That's it. Good morning. Can you say your names for the record?
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Dixon.
Charles Dixon.
Your Honor, at this time, the people aren't making any offer. They need to speak with their supervisor. So he's going to continue his plea and not guilty, request a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dixon. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, and that's gonna, if we gotta set a date, it's gonna be jury.
You want a jury trial?
Yeah.
March 1st. March 1st at 9:30. And then the final pretrial will be.
And I'm just curious, this is like my 5th court date. Is this normal?
The final pretrial will be February 28th at 8:35.
Okay, February 28th, 8:35.
That's the final pretrial date. And then you have your jury trial date is March 1st.
Okay, February 28th, March 1st. And on my last court date, I had requested a court-appointed attorney, and we had rescheduled this court date here for the day. I still haven't heard anything on that. And I don't seem to be getting anywhere with the House Counsel.
You have to be interviewed to apply for a court-appointed attorney.
Yeah, we put the
because it's-
paperwork in. Yeah, I did the interview and the paperwork with the attorney at the last court date, with the House Counsel at the last court date. And then we rescheduled it for today, but I still haven't heard from anybody.
Yeah, I have you requested jury trial. Here's the form right here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're trying to resubmit this form.
Is it? Is it?
We're gonna resubmit the form.
Okay, thank you. Okay, February 28th, 8:30.
Well, I'm wondering if you should he come back, because I didn't be prepared for trial. Do we need to come back for another day?
Well, we still got final pretrial, which is in March, so they can just wait.
All right, yeah, your next date is February 28th. You're all set, sir.
It's 8:30 a.m.
Yes, sir.
All right.
This is the People versus Lamarta Robinson, ticket number P13566618, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Colleen-
Robinson.
Colleen Strokey on behalf of Lamarte Robinson, Your Honor. He did provide a valid insurance, at this time moving for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
You too.
This is the People versus Tobias Reese. Ticket number P13129091, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 207062083, improper plates. Ticket number P12621885, count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license out on person. Ticket number P1288449, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Colleen Strokey on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Reed, say your name. Around.
I didn't talk to him, Colleen.
I didn't either.
Sorry, Taj Reed.
Oh, I'm sorry. I misunderstood, Judge. That's my case. Bob Zaranick for Mr. Reed.
No, we didn't do.
There's an offer, Judge, of plea to improper plates. He'll take that offer.
I called Tobias Reese, but
That's what I thought you said.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
But we'll go with Taj Reed. Mr. Reed, turn your video on. I don't know what happened to Mr. Reed. Hopefully he shows back up. If not, oh no, he's still in the waiting room. We'll recall his. All right, this is the People versus Taj Reed, ticket number P1366565, count 3, driving registered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number P1366557, count 1, no insurance. Good morning, please say your name.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Reed. Please state your name, sir.
Taj Reed.
Judge, there's an offer to plead to improper plates. He'll take that offer.
I think all these matters are actually on the docket.
Mr. Reed, could you come into the camera?
Yes. I'm sorry.
All these matters are actually on the docket. So for ticket number ending in 565, it's count 1, driver license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, driver registered or untitled vehicle, and then no insurance misdemeanor. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Reed. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zaranick in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading on your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 23rd, 2022 at 4:04 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Elmira and Cheyenne, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2008 Pontiac vehicle?
2008 Pontiac? No, ma'am.
What vehicle were you driving?
2018 Dodge Charger.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
My registration had expired. My birthday was the 22nd of June, and I got the ticket. The ticket the 23rd.
So your answer is yes?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
Without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Reed, can you have that fine paid by January 17th?
January 17th, yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No questions. You said the only ticket I have to pay was the no proof of the expired plate, right?
It's improper plates. You made admissions to improper plates, sir.
All right. Yes, that's fine.
Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
This is the People versus Ronald Davis, ticket number. One second. Ronald Davis, ticket number P1359125, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Stroke, we have Mr. David, Your Honor.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Ronald Davis.
Your Honor, he presented a registration and insurance today. They're both valid. The people are dismissing, and we would stipulate the probable cause.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good holiday, Your Honor.
You too, sir. Have a good holiday too. This is the People versus Joshua Davis. Make sure I got his file. Where's Joshua Davis?
Show cause.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Joshua Davis.
Hold on 1 second, Mr. Roby.
Aaron Joshua.
Joshua Michael.
You say you're preacher.
Your middle name is Michael, Mr. Davis?
Yes.
The People versus Joshua Michael Davis, ticket number SP1358137, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Joshua Davis.
Yeah, I guess I spoke with, I thought he was the other Joshua Davis. My apologies. Mr. Davis, you also have, you showed me your license, right?
Right.
So do you have your registration and insurance?
I do.
I mean, okay, can you show those to the court, please? Okay, hang on, gotta bring it a little bit closer. Looks like 12/26/22. Is that the date on it?
12/25.
Oh, the birthday, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's dated on Christmas of this year. And how about your insurance? I can't really.
It expires, looks like
1/17/23.
23, yeah.
I'm gonna move for dismissal of both as matters, Your Honor.
You stipulate tribal cause,
So stipulated.
matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Davis. Good luck to you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you, sir. This is the people versus.
Yeah, Mr. Zaranick, was your client Tiffany Richardson? Or was yours, Ms. Soroki? I couldn't quite remember what we discussed on her file, so I kind of took the file back. So there's nothing in it. I couldn't remember what we discussed.
She's mine, plead to improper plate.
Okay.
I guess she was Bob's, but Bob can handle that.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the people versus Tiffany Richardson, ticket number SP 1309196, count one improper place. Good morning, to say your name for the record.
Bob Saranic for Miss Richardson. Miss Richardson, please state your name, ma'am.
Tiffany Richardson.
Judge, she would plead to improper plates.
Okay. Oh, okay. Raise your right hand, Ms. Richardson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zaranick in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
I can barely hear you. I'm sorry.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
I just got her file. She has some other tickets. She might want to take care of all these today. She has a number of tickets. Ms. Richardson, do you want to wait to try to get an offer for the rest of your tickets?
Yes. Can I please do that?
Yeah, you got, yes. We'll have the prosecutor come down and take a look at your file to give you an offer on all your tickets.
Is this going to require me to stay on hold for a while?
I don't know what a while is, but you gotta wait.
I mean, I'm saying I have to go to work. I have to be there at 1 o'clock. I already done told them I was going to be late because I was on here with you all. So how much longer am I going to have to wait?
I don't know how long it's gonna be.
Number one, you can sit out.
Wow.
So,
And you don't have to do that today, ma'am. You can get a pre-trial date and come back another day if you like. The court was just trying to help you resolve all your tickets.
We can pick another day. It's up to you. Your next date will be January 3rd.
Okay, that's fine.
So we'll set it for a pre-trial, January 3rd at 8:35.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday.
I can't hear her.
Have a good holiday. Good luck.
Thank you.
Check on any people who are not here where we have officers in the waiting room or in the breakout room.
Andrew Dancy, they didn't show up. So that officer can be released.
Okay, I'll check that off.
That's it.
And that's it. Okay, I couldn't remember. Did we do Reyes already? Reyes Sanchez, I think that was the name.
Yes.
Okay, Officer Moreno had to go, but his partner will let him know. He's in training right now. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, thank you, Judge. Whoa, Ronald Davis. Did we do him?
Yes.
Okay, so Ronald Davis, he's done. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.
This is the people versus Travis DeBose, ticket number P1362359, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, improper right turn. Good morning, can say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. DeBose.
Say your name, Mr. DeBose.
Mr. DeBose, can you put your name on the record, please? Is he out? See him?
Okay, we'll pause that now.
I don't see him. I'll go get him.
I'll pause it.
He's in 20, he should be in 21.
This is the people versus Harold Dozier. P1355120, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Harold Dozier.
Mr. Dozier, state your name, sir, unmute yourself. Look on the bottom left-hand corner to unmute yourself.
Oh, sorry, I had to unmute. Harold Dozier.
Your Honor, Mr. Dozier is it is trial date. The officer has appeared. He's gonna accept the recommendation to a 12-month delayed sentence.
Right here, Mr. Dozier.
Say it again.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki in private about your case and your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to April 30th, 2022 at 7:04 p.m. on that date and time were you at or near Graydale Street and West Albert Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving a 2014 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you engage in illegal dumping?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Oh, Detective Greeno, can you say your name for the record, please?
Detective Jana Greeno, badge D 1357.
Thank you. All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Dozier. So I'm gonna set this for another date of December 11th at 8:35. In that time of the 12 months, you need to pay a $200 fine. You can't get any more tickets or citations. So essentially, no further police contact. If you've had no further police contact, you've paid the fine of $200, this will be dismissed off your record. You understand, sir?
You said December, what was the date?
December 11th at 8:35.
Okay, so that's this year.
Of
Next year.
2003.
Okay.
It's a full year, sir. If you forget the date, you can go on the computer, 36districtcourt.com and look it up.
Okay, December, what was it? I didn't hear. I could barely hear.
December 11th.
12/11/23 at 8:30 in the morning.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good holiday.
All right, you all as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, investigator.
This is the people versus Anthony Rogers. 1 second.
Unmute your device, Mr. Rogers.
For some reason, I'm having a hard time finding him on the docket.
Yeah, I'm not, I didn't talk.
He's way at the bottom of page 4.
Mr. Rogers, tap your device and unmute. Tap the microphone at the bottom left-hand side.
Hi, Mr. Zaranick.
One,
Oh, I see him. I see him.
yeah, just one case.
No.
Yeah. He's a try.
Okay.
Anthony Rogers, ticket number SP 1359749, count 1, unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Anthony Rogers.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Rogers, Your Honor.
All right, and then I know we did have Officer McCree did check in. How does your client wish to proceed, Mr. Zaranick?
I don't see him on right now, Judge, so we'd move for dismissal.
It was supposed to be dismissed anyway.
I believe so.
Was this, he has his valid registration?
Yes, the Ms. Horn, the one reviewed it.
Yes,
You stipulate to probable cause?
we do, Judge.
This is without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Travis, your call.
All right, this is the people versus Cynthia Rayner. Ticket number P1366827. Count, thank you. 1, fails to say about glasses on a person. It's a civil infraction. I'm not sure if that is the fall.
Your Honor.
Count 2 is no proof of insurance. Good morning, please take your name for the record.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Cynthia Rayner.
Ms. Rayner, unmute your device. Tap your screen, touch the microphone at the bottom of your screen, unmute your device. State your name.
Cynthia Rayner.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Rayner is continuing her plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rayner. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set for a bench trial date, January 20th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. This is the people versus Micah Davis. Ticket number P1347004, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Micah Davis.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Micah Davis, she has presented valid registration and insurance, moving for dismissal.
You stipulate the proper cause.
No stipulated.
After dismissed without prejudice, you're all set, Ms. Davis. Good luck to you, ma'am. Happy holiday.
Thank you. Happy holidays.
Thank you. The people versus Jawan Dooley.
Ready, Your Honor, Bob Zaranick for, sorry.
Ticket number P1372051, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2. I don't know if these are called tinted windows. And then count 3 is expired plates. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Jawan Dooley.
Bob Zaranick for Mr. Dooley, Your Honor. He just needs a short adjournment, Judge, so we're gonna ask for a bench trial. He just has to get his documents. He has an appointment coming up.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Dooley. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Court's going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial date, January 20th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
This is people versus, have a good one, sir. Good luck to you. This is people versus Tierra Davis, ticket number SP 1365306, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, no insurance, drive while unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P 1365307, count 1, improper play, and ticket number P 947360, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Ms. Davis.
Say your name, Ms. Davis, unmute yourself.
Sierra Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Davis is continuing her plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to, do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Court's going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial date for January 20th at 9 o'clock. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you.
Amani Robinson, ticket number 22742-704, count 1, no insurance, count 2, unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, my name is Imani Robinson.
On behalf of Ms. Robinson, Your Honor, she has provided her insurance this morning, moving for dismissal.
Her insurance and registration.
Yeah, no, I only saw the one, 'cause only one was on the docket. Did you tell me you paid that, ma'am?
No, I haven't resolved it. This is the court date due for both.
You have your registration with you?
I don't have the vehicle anymore. The registration was in my mother's name.
Okay, do you have your mother's registration now?
Yes, 1 second.
Okay, can you come back to this, Your Honor?
You know, it looks like it's just, on the docket, it's just the insurance, but I'll see what's going on with the registration. Here, everyone else is gonna wait, but I'll look. Yeah, I don't know why it's not on the docket, but she's also here for the registration.
She went to grab it. She showed me that. I'm sure she's got it. I saw her insurance, so I'm sure she's got the registration too. Can you hold it up to the camera, please? Okay, bring it down a little bit. There you go. So it expires on 5/29/2023, Your Honor. For dismissing the account.
You stipulate probable cause as to both tickets.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
You're dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Tobias Reese, are we ready on that one? Anyone speak to him? Mr. Reese? Your offer, you have a number of tickets. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tickets. The prosecutor's office is offering that if you make admissions to 2 of them, fail to display in their proper place, everything else will be dismissed.
So you would not get any points, sir. It would just show on your record like you were driving and you left your driver's license at home, if you want to accept that.
You around, Mr. Reese? You're not around? All right, we got Derek Robinson. See if I have his file.
We still got people in the breakout rooms too.
Robinson.
I'm here.
You do, Mr. Robinson, that officer never appeared. This is the people versus Derek Robinson, SP 1213551. Count one, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson.
Derek Robinson Jr.
Today is the date and time set for trial. The officer's not appeared. I'm moving for dismissal.
Matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Robinson. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
You got Armando D is here, I see.
Yes.
Suffers a 3-month delayed sentence.
What's the charge?
Loud music when it's heard more than 10 feet away.
So, sir, if you wanted to accept that, it means you'd plead guilty today. In 90 days, it would be dismissed off your record like it never happened. If you, in fact, were playing your music loud in that day in question.
Yes, I was.
Okay, you want to accept the offer then?
Yes.
And you have to let the judge know you're waiving your rights. Okay, we're ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Armando Deeds, ticket number P1367393, count one, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet away. Good morning, please say your name for the record. Or acronym.
Armando Ditas.
Pauline Soroka, we have the defendant, Your Honor. He's going to accept the recommendation of the people.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Ditas. Raise your right hand, Mr. Ditas. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to June 26, 2022 at 8:16 p.m. On that day and time, were you at or near McDougal and Talent Center Drive in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
You driving a 1996 Mercury vehicle?
Yes.
And were you had loud music playing from that motor vehicle that could be heard more than 10 feet away?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied on the factual basis, and we'll accept the admission and we'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence. So we're gonna come back on the date of March 20th at 8:35. You're gonna have to pay a $200 fine, Mr. Ditas. So you pay the $200 fine, you can't get any more tickets. So no citations, no tickets, essentially no further police contact. So once you've done all of that, then this will be dismissed off your record.
Okay. And how do I pay that? The $200 fine? Like,
You can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city called DivDat, DIV is in Victor, DAT as in Tom. And you can pay it on those kiosks, they're like in CVS or Meyer. There's a phone number. I see you have a pen. I can give you the phone number right now. It's
okay.
855
Yeah.
798-1547. You can pay it over the phone, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Okay. And do I have a time frame? Or when it,
You just have to pay it by March 20th.
okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you.
Mr. Travis, remove your hat. Mr. DeBose, Travis DeBose. Remove your hoodie.
All right, we got Travis DeBose. The offer was blockading.
Correct.
Okay, this is People versus Travis DeBose, ticket number P13625359, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, improper right turn. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Bennett. You can leave, Mr. Ditas, you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Corporal Bennett, you want to say your name for the record? You're around.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, if you have Mr. DeBose, the people made a recommendation. My client would plead responsible to one count of impeding traffic. And I would stipulate to the face as a factual basis, face of the complaint.
All right, Mr. DeBose, did you want to say your name for the record?
Travis DeBose.
All right.
And Mr. DeBose, you have to remove your hoodie.
All right, so, you stipulate to the face of the ticket, the court will amend count two to blockading. And then you stipulate the proper cause as to count one to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice, we'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. DuBose, this is a civil infraction. The fine is $175, but because it's a civil infraction, you got 14 days to pay this. Can you have this paid by December? I'm gonna do January 3rd. That's like we're off. January 3rd.
Okay.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Corporal Bennett, you're all set.
Thank you, Anna. Have a good day.
This offer was failed to display.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear who you called.
Jermaine Reedus, did anybody talk to him? This is failed to display.
I didn't talk to him.
Me neither.
Is he here?
Mr. Reedus, turn on your video.
Oh.
Mr. Jermaine Reedus, turn on your video.
Can't hear us. Look like we got one last person in the breakout room, Anthony Davis.
And we got Kenyatta Davenport too in 29. I didn't get that far. You called me back before I got to bring them out. So Donna, why don't you just close out the breakout and let's close them out.
All defendants, please turn on your video, please. All defendants, turn on your video.
How do people laugh?
How you go?
Okay. Okay, Judge, do you want me to put Judge, do you want me to put all the defendants back into a breakout room? You gonna handle it now?
No, we're just gonna do them now. All right, we got Anthony Davis. It's a U ticket. Did you get an offer for the has anyone spoken to Anthony Davis? Ms. Horn, are you around? Probably a 3-month basis.
What is he under, Your Honor?
He's at 8:30 arraignments. It's a disorderly.
Oh, you want to set up a trial?
Mr. Davis?
Yes.
You're charged with disorderly conduct. You can accept a recommendation of a 90-day delayed sentence. If you stay out of trouble, admit you did something wrong, pay the fine, and don't get any new police contact in 90 days, the ticket would be dismissed like it never happened. Or you can come back to a jury trial or a bench trial.
Nah, I'll do it. I'll go for 90 days.
Okay.
I
Go ahead.
thought I went through the 90 days last time.
Is this a review, Your Honor?
Says arraignment on bench warrant.
Let me look it up and see what happened with it.
But you told me if I do the 90 days, the same thing you just said, it's supposed to be throughout this time.
You must have missed the day.
Yeah.
Yeah, you missed the date and you haven't, oh, I see. Okay, you paid $180. It was a $200 fine.
I can't hear it.
I see you got a bond. That looks like you might have paid $10 for the fine.
Oh, yeah. 10% fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they only took 10% of that.
Hey, sir, I'm in court.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna waive it, just close it out. It looks like you, I see you sent a check, you mailed a check for 180. You got $10 in bond, we're gonna waive it, and you're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
So it's a what? It's dismissed. It's throughout.
It's dismissed with.
Okay. Would I have any paperwork? Can you send some paperwork to
You can look online.
Okay, cool.
You can, yeah, look your name up online, sir. It'll be there. You can print it out.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
All right. I can leave now.
You can
Yep.
leave.
Okay.
Mr. Reedus, have you spoken to anyone? Your offer is failed to display.
Tap your device, Mr. Reedus, and unmute your device. Tap it and tap the microphone. Unmute.
Oh, so he's got,
No, I haven't spoken with anyone, Your Honor.
so was the officer was here, Mr. Rita. So if you want to admit one ticket, unless you have your registration and your license at this time,
Yes, I do have my license. I just got them.
do you have your registration?
I no longer have that vehicle. I have a registration to my current vehicle that I'm in. And my insurance.
Just show them, sir.
We can see the dates. Does he have just 2 tickets?
Yeah, it's just
Yeah.
2 tickets.
Just
Sergeant
2.
Martin, I'm sorry, you can leave. We're gonna cape you as Marcus Lee Robinson.
All right,
Okay.
move your finger up on the bottom, sir.
$12-29-24, so he's good.
Yeah. Yep.
You can show us your license, please.
Let's show you this first. This is the
Okay, so, right, we need it.
Hold on 1 second now. I'm just showing you all of my paperwork. There go my driver's skills test completion. 12/9/22. You see that?
We see it.
Okay, hold on. They're sending my driver's license in the mail. My name is in the system and everything. Secretary of State.
So you didn't get your new license yet?
No, I just completed everything that I had to complete. I just did my road test Friday.
Okay, well, the court's gonna have to check the system and make sure your license is valid, so.
You can check the Secretary of State system. It's in there.
Yes, and good afternoon, Mr. Reedus. This is Tamika Horn. I'm the prosecutor. I'll just ask that the court clerk run a check to verify your license. I do believe you because I believe you showed a temporary one there too. So you're waiting on the hard copy to come, I take it.
Yeah, exactly. I went on the Secretary of State website like they told me to, and they should be sending it in the mail.
Mr. Ratliff, can you, if you can do it without printing it, if you could just verify it's valid. Thank you.
So my truck should pop up in the system.
Oh, that. Valid.
It's valid.
Okay, thank you very much. The people will move to dismiss.
Stipulate to probable cause, Your Honor.
Set, Mr. Reedus. Good luck to you. Have a good holiday. This is the people versus Kiana Davenport. Ticket number 185095191. License expired. And ticket number SP 1267873, count 1, drove by license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Strauss on behalf of Ms. Davenport, people made a recommendation. She would plead on a delayed sentence to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Other matters are being dismissed.
Can I leave now?
You can leave.
Thank you.
Which one is the allowing or which one?
It must be the second one. Ms. Horn said it to me. It must be 8731.
All right, raise your right hand, Ms. Davenport. Say your name, Ms. Davenport.
Kiana Davenport.
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to
Hush.
We did her already.
Yeah, you guys did me, but I didn't understand the question, they like with the sentencing and stuff like that. So I do understand now from watching cases.
So then you're all set, Ms. Davenport. You can leave. Just come back on that next court date.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good holiday.
You too.
Tobias Reese, are you around, sir?
Probably sleep. It says Moto G Power. You in the car. What is your name? Gentleman in the car, what is your name?
Tyrone Richardson.
Oh, he's a.
I have it right here. This is the people versus Tyrone Richardson. Ticket number P1334611, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning, good afternoon. Please say your names for the record. Take your hat off, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Pauline
Tyrone
Mr. Richardson.
Tyrone Richardson.
Your Honor, my client is continuing his plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Richardson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Pardon me, Your Honor. Can you repeat that?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court would be the fact finder?
Yes, Your Honor.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 20th at 9 o'clock.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
would they send me a notice in the mail?
I don't think so, sir. I think this is your notice.
So,
Write it down.
okay, yes, Your Honor. What day was that?
January 20th at 9 o'clock.
January 20th. I got to come into court, right?
No, it's on trial. It's on Zoom.
Okay, Your Honor. January 20th. What time?
9 o'clock, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
These people, they were here in that FD, Wayne Rogers, FD Dozier, Tobias Reese.
Samsung, what's your name?
Terrence Robinson.
Who is this?
Terrence Robinson.
That's showing up at 12:30?
Yes.
Yeah, his appointment is for 1:30.
Yeah, he's not on this morning.
Yeah, I was just trying to help him do it. I didn't know, but he might be going to the hospital, so.
Let's see.
Let's just give him another date then if he's not feeling well.
Which one do
What's
that?
our date?
We're gonna set this for a pre-trial, January 3rd, right? We're gonna set yours for a
Wanna do
pre-trial,
that?
January 3rd at 8:35.
January 3rd.
8:35.
At 8:35, January 3rd.
I do it on Zoom, or I gotta come there.
Zoom.
Okay, if he's still in the hospital for any reason, would I be able to come back on here and notify you of that on the 3rd?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, good luck.
Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy holidays.
You too.
Here, thank you.
Okay.
1:35.